Hello, hello. So here we are, day 5. Let me share with you today's improvement. Oh, as you can see, the molding is up. Oh yeah, I love it. So they painted doors today and put the molding up. So day number 5, we've completed molding. Let's see if I can share my cabinets. Look at this great contraption they put together. Apparently the stand that he originally ordered did not arrive, so of course, being a carpenter, they're very creative and decided to create this contraption, which allowed them to lay and stack the cabinet doors. Look at how nice they're turning out, guys. Real quick. So a lot more, again, more painting. It's starting to look like factory. I am so excited. So that's it, day 5. Stay tuned for day 6. All right.